If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and so far I see the face, I hear the voice, and you don't know say a kogency, but the kogency rocks channel. And today we have KO, V9, and Skillibeng with Back2Back. And you know we listen to Wallan with Skillibeng and Unknown T. That song, bro. Different grave. I'm telling you, but it's different. Trust me, go check it out. But today we have KO, V9, and Skillibeng with Back2Back. I saw a comment that said like, what? What did you say again? At this point, Skillibeng should just sign for Hamilton. Yeah, man, it's true, man. Just sign for Hamilton, man. Hamilton B, Eastside A. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But yo, leave a like and leave a comment. Comment what you want me to react to next. Comment what you want to say. Just comment anything, you know what I'm saying? No, don't comment anything. Comment what you want me to react to next. Comment if you like this at the end and leave a like. You don't know. And subscribe if you want to. And let's jump in. Jamaica. Yeah. Yeah, right above we can this, bro. I drive here every day, bro. Literally, almost every day. Bear me with the music. And this little lane too, drive through the lane almost, not almost every day, but almost every week. Kind of cut out traffic. Hey. Hey, hey. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, Bro, KO's head top already a pillow, bro. His head top is receding from I'm telling you. Look at it. His head top is going.
Give waps to the soldiers. Need us a pack to the gang, them stoners. Need one dead, but two is a bonus. Under arrest, don't lose composure. Won't ever speak to the feds, coming like they don't know what the code is. Live in the flesh, got no chest, but on the net, man, I type in the boldest. We don't get into shootouts, cause the man don't shoot back. I pull up and use that. Who's that nigga? Boot that. Shoot that. Get shot in your chest, for your lungs. You can't use that. If I jump out the car right now, up on my palm, you know I'ma use that.
We do shooting with intent, gun ready for shoot, from a clip in there. Roll out with a fear friggin' feds, like I roll out now with the chip in there. Can this chaos?
Yeah, they shoulda fix up the timing on the verse, but go again.
Car right now, up on my palm, you know I'ma use that.
We do shooting with intent, gun ready for shoot, from a clip in there. Roll out with a fear friggin' feds, like I roll out now with the chip in there. Can this KO, you're friggin' dead. V9 roll with the friggin' tag. S-Killer make you know I live in hell. Oh no better don't try this, you will hell.
Picture side, you best stay there. Whatever the weather, we making it rain there. Chase ups like we chasing papers. Take drops, shotters make way there. If cash is max, abs is bigs, then hits has gotta be Wayne then. Shankle whap, you're mad about
I know he said something mad right there and that, but the thing is with KO, I can't keep up more well. And a lot of the times I have no idea the things he's referring to.
If cash is max, abs is bigs, then hits has gotta be Wayne then. Shankle whap, you're mad.
Oh, he's talking about shutters like Mad Max, Biggs, and Wayne. Oh, okay, yeah, I know.
Whatever the weather, we making it rain there. Chase ups like we chasing papers. Take drops, shotters make way there.
Shotters.
If cash is max, abs is bigs, then hits has gotta be Wayne then. Shankle whap, you're mad about fist. Pissed if you make that mistake.
Hero with a heat, which you wash down free. Or it's like I'm CP3. Claim 16 now, when we're skinning. Crocodile teeth on my enemies like Eminem. I'm in the air doing miles. Don't move right, get put down. G9, stop this car right now. Let me hop out and juice that down. How can you talk on us? We pull up and hell man dust. They get shanked up, we don't keep it a butt. They get verbal, but ain't got no fuzz, no guns. How can they chat on us? I'm stunned. Snappers, they moving nuts. It's wrong. How they lie on us?
Sing fence, so me gonna beat till him dead. Me run down and beat chat for jail chest. Don't me gonna features, me think less scope within Fred. Them know me dark, nothing says killing and go kill them, do not talk, no figure. Yeah, roll with the hammer, the crocodile shark, as your queen chat gone up in there. Big long thing with the.
Sometimes I wonder, like, for the guys that's watching, do you want me to be like translating the bars there? Because I'm just listening and enjoying, but do you want me to translate Skillibeng's bars, bro? Alright, let me see if I can translate.
On us.
Sing fence, so me gonna beat till him dead. Me run down and beat chat for jail chest.
You know what I'm saying? Like, alright. You see, because I understand it, it's kind of hard to remember. It's hard to remember that you guys don't understand it. Well, some of you guys don't. So let's go.
How did lie on us?
Zinc fence, so me gonna beat till him dead.
Zinc fence. That's how my God. Bro, I'm not gonna translate that. I'm sorry. If you don't get it, God go with you. I swear, I can't help you.
Me run down and beat chat for jail chest. Don't me gonna features, me think less scope within Fred. Them know me dark, nothing say skilling and go kill them, do not talk, no figure. Yeah, roll with the hammer, the crocodile shark, as a queen chat gone up in head. Big long thing with the kickstand, kill them, instant kill from distance. Me now yet pump people no response, big chapstick where I rap it out ching chang. Real murder, I know filter strike, I knock a ginger, gonna kick ball. Silence up, gonna whisper, boy, them full of big talk, man a big man. Circle the men's in a field, I park up a Benz, kill them in a teeter. Oh, me fear them a idiot, nobody can save them, no reader. Me gonna bust no feel, you gonna cut no bleed, the clip I done no healer. Can't patch them up, no fees, heads a joke, we roll up with the thugs and be chat.
Tempt me, things filled up with plenty. Give away coppers to beggars. Us beg me not to give them these pennies. Get my boots out and go and test my technique. So long for whose feet are heavy. Control it, see them press deli. Through the bros, they really on votes. Any little vial gets taken to extreme. They love talk on socials. Too much talk in the things. Until you're walking a wing, just looking a postal. Get crashed by a gang of that type of man. To see us not set and make phone calls. It's a rebound thing instead. If I ever had to do legs, can't never had it local.
Yeah. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, yes, man. Beat sick. The beat it. The beat quick. The beat lit. The beat. Hey, the beat. Hey. Gang. Yeah, I like this still. This was nice. The beat did nice. It's just that Skillibeng timing was off 1 time or 2 time, and we never get no chorus. But other than that, and it named Back2Back, so probably was again get no chorus. Yeah. But yo, this was nice still. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. KO, V9, and Skillibeng with Back2Back. I'm sorry for all the people who thought the Jamaican guy was going to translate the Jamaican bars. Bro, I really can't. It's not like he said anything like out of the world, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, if you don't know, osh. Well, yo, like and comment, and you don't know, Kogency and the Kogency Rocks channel. How about this motherfucker, man? Peace. Yeah, come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. I love you,